Hello, I am Rotarian Hanumant from the Rotary Club of Mysore West, District 3181 in Karnataka. Today, I am going to show and explain to you how easy it is to plant bamboo in the way of seed dibbling. Now, all we require is a sharp instrument like this or even smaller to make a hole into the ground, and this is 1 kilogram of bamboo seeds. 1 kilogram contains around 80,000 seeds of this particular variety. This is the variety which grows into tall, around about 80 feet to 100 feet in about 10 or 15 years time. And it is a very useful bush, grows very quickly. It's the fastest growing shrub in the world. It sequesters carbon. It is useful to the rural people. They can harvest it since it's a type of grass. There is no permissions needed. So all in all, it benefits the environment, it benefits the society. So this is what we should be doing. It's very cheap. 1 kilogram in Mysore landed here costs only about 350 rupees. So, and you get 80,000 seeds. So the cost, even if you assume a 10% rate of survival, you still have about 8,000 seeds for 350 rupees, and you can't ask for more. So this is one way, I'm not telling the way, one of the ways in which we can really plant a large number of trees, lakhs of trees, and help to fight climate change as well as to green our country. One of the things that we need to look into while planting or dibbling the bamboo seed is the choice of site. So you can see here that there is a nala here during which in winter, in the rainy season, the water flows here. You can choose such sites where even if the water is available, even in plentiful, even once a year, you can choose the sides of such nalas or streams or rivers or edge of lakes where you have moisture plentiful all the year round, or even the reservoirs. You get large extents of land at the edge of reservoirs and backwaters. So all these can be used as site locations for bamboo dibbling. The dibbling process is itself very simple. I'll just show you how it is. Here, just make a hole here about 2 to 4 inches long. Take a pinch of seeds. This is probably about, it might contain 3 or 4 seeds. Put it in here and gently close it. That's all we have to do, and one hole is over. Now, if we are doing it in areas where there is no protection, I would suggest that you make a number of holes in one area, maybe about 20 holes, put 2 or 3 seeds in each hole, and then cover it up with a thorny dried bush so that when the germination happens, it is not browsed upon immediately. This is the species of seed which is available. This species is called Bambusa bambos, and you can see it is just like paddy, and the size is smaller than paddy. So 1 kilogram can easily contain, and we have done it, we have measured it, around 80,000 seeds per kilogram. So you can see here that this is a small piece of where we had dibbled the same bamboo seeds maybe about 3 or 4 weeks earlier. See how well it has grown. We have made number of small points, and you can see everywhere here that the germination rate is very good. Actually, the germination rate is close to about 60%. However, in the wild, in the field, we may not be able to get this because it may not rain when we plant. The moisture may dry out. So we will assume a very conservative rate of survival of 10%. But even then, we get a lot of bushes for every kilogram, and it's very, very, very cost effective. Something that every club can do. All they need to do is get in touch with their local forest department people or the Gram Panchayat, identify spaces which are available and free, and then go and do the dibbling there along with those people, so that there's a sense of ownership in the whole project. So the one thing about bamboo that we have to remember is that the viability of the seed is only for 9 months. These seeds were harvested in the month of February, which means that we have until November or October for it to be planted into the ground. But practically speaking, we have to catch the southwest monsoon, and it gives the seeds the maximum chance of survival, because the entire duration of the monsoon, if the seed is there in the ground, it has got very good chances of actually surviving. In case you are not able to catch the monsoon, or for some reason you are not able to find the space, then there's no need to worry. All you need to do is create a small nursery like what you're seeing here. These are all bamboos. So we have also done a small nursery here. You can plant about 5 or 6 seeds in each bag like this and raise the saplings. So within a year they'll grow up to this height, quite tall. And then after which time, at your own convenience, whenever you have the time, when you have the space, everything is ready, at that time you can go and plant it in these areas.